Hey guys, how we doing? We just wanted to show you one of our new Gen 2 Tradie Trays was just installed on this BT50. So like the Tourer, they have a couple of different inclusions. Alright, so your Tradie, you do get your fuel relocated in your headboard, and you do get your tray sides with capping included, obviously your rope rails and your single tapered boxes. You can add inclusions like your under tray drawer, your under tray water tank, and your headboard water tank, and your rear rack, but that is totally up to you guys. Obviously a little bit different, you get your maxi 3 lights included in these rather than your 355s. We can still do your relocation of your reverse camera, your reverse sensors and your blind spots, but it's just a little different setup. Still a 4mm bed, so you still get a really sturdy base, but just at a different price point and a little different inclusions. But just thought we'll show you that one. She's come up really nice. This one is obviously all powder coated white, so it's not 2-pack to colour match the vehicle, so that's where you're going to get the colour difference. But if you're wanting 2-pack, we can also do that. But yeah, we thought it was a nice build. We'll give you a good look and have a good weekend.